Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, February 16th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures basically flat. Right now they're trading at 27.34 and 3/4 per contract, but futures were a little bit higher. As you can see here, they have rolled over a little bit. Today is options expiration. It hasn't felt like one this week, to be honest, but it is options expiration for the month of February, so we'll see how today plays out. Looking at these markets today, we have lots of stocks, lots of companies, I should say, still reporting earnings, so we got lots of plays. Let's get started here. We're going to start with John Deere. Deere & Company right now trading at 167.82. Stock closed at 166.81. Again, not really much of a move from the earnings, so we'll see how this all plays out today. We will keep it on the radar, but there's really not a lot to do here. John Deere in an uptrend, but it is in an overbought state right now, so we're just going to leave it alone. We'll check it out once the opening bell rings. Here's one that will be on my radar today, ANET. ANET. Stock right now is getting pummeled. It closed at 307.96. It is now trading at 263. I have a level ready for this to go in the intraday stock chat room. This is a lighter volume name, so it does overshoot levels, but we're going to look to trade this one this morning. This is absolutely falling hard, and we like stocks like that because they give us good sized bounces. So again, we're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings. I will have levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, let's take a look at CBS Corp. CBS right now trading at $57.45. This closed at $56.74. So not a whole lot to do there. Stock looks like it's hanging in there. It's trying to recapture its moving averages on the daily chart. So we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. There's just not a lot to do here right at the opening bell. Let's take a look here at Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola right now trading at $45.72. It closed at $44.78, so it's upticking a little bit there. We'll look at this one as well once the opening bell rings. I do have levels for Coke if we did sell off. Any sell-off in this stock I don't think would be a big one, but I do have levels for it. So we'll see how it plays out. We'll see where it goes. Next up, we're going to take a look at SHAK. SHAK. They reported earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $39.35. Closed at $41.21. I have levels ready to go for SHAK today if it does sell off. So again, we'll look at that one once the opening bell rings, and I'll have those posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Let's take a look here at Campbell Soup. CPB is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $46.20, closed at $47.70. So this is down ticking a little bit here. I don't think there's a lot right here. Still a lot of support around $45. So we'll keep this one on the radar. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. Next up, let's take a look at Enbridge. ENB is the ticker symbol here. Oops, let's get that right. ENB. So this stock right now is trading at around $34.89. Again, closed at $34.55. It gapped up pretty nicely all the way to the 36 level. It has fallen down, so there's going to be a little gap window and a little bit of a support level here if we get there, but we'll have to look at that one once the opening bell rings. We still have quite a bit of time before 9:30. Next up, we're going to take a look at NWL, which is Newell. This got crushed on its last earnings announcement. This time doing a little bit better. Stock closed at $27.64, now trading at $28.25. I don't think there's a whole lot to do here. We'll see if it can get through the $28.60 level. There looks to be some natural resistance there. You'll also see in the pre-market here, it got as high as 29 before fading a little bit. So, this stock might have some upside to it. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. VF Corp, VFC is ticker symbol here. This one is falling a little bit, closed at $83.94, now trading at $79.85. I will get levels for this one. I don't have them done yet, but I will get levels. Right off the bat, though, I do think $76 looks pretty solid, maybe even a 5-cent pierce, but we'll keep it on the radar. Watch 76 there, but I'm going to have levels ready for VF Corp in a little bit. And I'll have those posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Here we have VMC, Vulcan Materials. Stock right now is trading at $132. No volume in this yet, so we're going to have to wait for this thing to open up. Again, there looks like a lot of support in this name right off the bat here around 124.75 if it got down there. That's still a long way off right now. Stock's trading at 132, but like I said, there's no volume in here this morning in the pre-market, so you got to be a little bit careful. Let's take a look at IRM, which is Iron Mountain. This stock's gapping up nicely, trading right now at 35.28. So that's a good little pop there. There's a ton of resistance at 37.16 for this name. And again, watch it there. That should be very good resistance at $37.16 should the stock trade up to that level, and it has a fair shot to do that. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold getting a bid today, up $3.40. You also have crude oil up about 18 cents. So we're not going to make much out of either one today. Both are up just a touch. Gold up $3, and crude oil up 20 cents. We're not going to make much out of either one this morning, but we will be watching them in the intraday stock chat room. Now, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a sensational 2018, another good day yesterday, and again, this is going to be the year of volatility, so this is the year of day trade. So come on back, check it out, see what it's all about, and you trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a wonderful trading day, and we will see you on the charts.